Hello everyone, welcome again to Julia vs Python programming. Today we'll be learning more about sets. So sets are usually a collection of numbers or a collection of items, and then so like we'll be learning how you can do set in Julia and then also in Python. So for the format, for let's say we are using odd numbers. So odd numbers is equal to set. This is the format. You are supposed to bring this word set and then this bracket. Then everything's supposed to be inside this. So let's say odd numbers are we have 1, 3, 4, we have we have 5, we have 7, we have 9, let's say we have 11. So if you check the type of it, it's going to give us that is a set. The class is a set. So let's use another something, even numbers. So this our even numbers is not only going to include only even numbers, but we are also going to be adding some of the odd numbers so that you can check other stuff of it. So it's going to be, let's say, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's add the 7 to it, and then 11, then let's say 10. 11 and 10. So it doesn't check the order, it is still going to give you the right result. So for you to do union of, you can just do like in Python, you can just do, let's say, a odd number dot union then to bracket even number. It's going to go through all of them. Oh anyway, I'm going to go through all of them and then bring it for you. So although they are repetitions, it doesn't consider them, it will still bring them out. Though they are duplications, like 7 is here, there's 7 here, but it's going to print it together as one. So you can also do the same thing, like you can also do odd number intersection. Yes, not spelling. Okay, so it's going to find out that we have 7 here, we have 11 here, we have 7 here, we have 11. So that's how we do intersection and then union in Python. You can also do, let's say, if a subset, so something like even, or let's make it like this, if even number, right, then a subset then of odd number. I'm going to check whether it's actually a subset, and you're going to see the result is false, because they are not, some of them, they are not subsets, some of the numbers are different. By this interception, if you are supposed to find a variable of this, put it into a variable, you can get that it is true. Okay, let's see how it is done in Julia. You can also do something similar. So let's say odd numbers is equal to, let's say, set. Then in Julia we don't do set like this, you have to make it a capital set. That is the difference, not smaller set. If you do smaller set, it's going to give you something different. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's add something like 9. Let's say 11. So the same format. So if you, it's going to print it for you. See how it is different in the printing. So if you check the type of, it's going to tell us that type of odd num, it's going to tell us that it's a set. So that is how it is done in Julia. So let's use a different number, even number. So the same thing. Don't forget that it's supposed to be capital set, capital for the S. Otherwise, it's not going to work. It's going to see it as something different. So we have 2, we have 4, we have 6, we have 7. Let's bring the same numbers, like 8, 9, we have 10. And let's say we have 11 too, so that you can see. So something like this. So if you are supposed to find the union of, it's quite simple, just like in Python. You do union first, and then you bring the odd number, the first set, and then the even number. So it's going to print all of them for you, combining all of them. You can also do something similar. You can also do something similar like this. Instead of you making it union, you can also make it like intersect instead of interception, intersect, yeah. And it's going to print all the values that are found inside it, which is actually true. So you can also do something like a subset. So you can also bring it like a subset. Then you bring the value that you want. Let's say odd number and then even number. I'm going to give you false, just like this one is, because it's not a subset. But if you're supposed to put this one into a variable, so let's say something like let's say intersect, something like this, is equal to intersect, then odd number and then even number, something like this. So if you're supposed to write the same thing like for this, if you make it is intersect part of even number, C is going to give us true because some of the numbers are found inside it. So this is a concept about of set in Python. So let's see what we can also do with the basic stuff like adding or deleting. So you can also do the same thing if you want to add something to a set, like for the previous tutorial, just like any other thing. If you want to add it in Python, it's quite simple. You make it like, let's say odd number, right? Then dot add, let's say whatever odd you want to add, let's say let's add 13 to it. So when you print again, or even without printing, if you do num, see it has added 13 to it. You can also do the same thing if you want to remove it. You can also do the same, remove 13, you print again, 13 is gone. So you can do the same. So that is, you can add or you can remove. And then one thing is that you can also use, for example, if I'm supposed to use something like, let me add 13 and then let me say that remove something that is not there. So let's use something like 16. It's going to give me an error because 16 is not there. But you can also use something like discard. Discard. When you use discard, it's actually going to give you the results. So that if I go back to num, see, it has given me to me that it has been taken out. It was not there. So sometimes it's better you use discard. Okay, but let's see how you can do that in Julia. In Julia, you can also do something like that. Remember that Julia, you have to bring the whatever function you want to do, whatever you want to do first before you bring the stuff. So you do, to add, you use push. And let's say you want to add which number, you want to add maybe 100 to the odd numbers. So you bring first the string, which is odd, the variable, yes, which is odd number, then you, let's say you bring 100. So it has added 100 to it. So you can also do the same thing if you want to take it out. You can also use pop, and then let's say, let's not take 100 out, let's take something like 5 out. So when you go back to the variable, this thing that we did, so if you go and then we enter odd num, see that 5 is gone. So that is how it is done for Julia and then Python. So thank you for watching, and then if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, you don't understand any aspect, you can tell us so that you can add it in the comments so that everybody can benefit. Thank you, and then please don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed.